Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to create a Spotify account in the principal page on your PC. So if you want to create that Spotify account and a Spotify Premium account, you need to put you know a few information. For example, you need to put a for example in the for the first time you need to put an email, and I use that email after create that account. So you can do with another email. You can put here in Singing Up with Google, and you the only thing you need to do is put an email you want to create the account. You create a address for that account, and you last uh, the last step to create that account is choice a premium plan like individual, family, duo plan. But if you want to create that account, and after when you can buy a premium plan, the only thing you need to do is pick and confirm, and you let the premium plan for later. So this is the process here in the page of singing up to start listening. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.